Measurement and data is one of the most useful mathematics content strands, as it is an important component in everything one does, from job skills to life skills. It is a secondary proficiency within mathematics, meaning the concepts within this strand rely on skills acquired in other strands, such as fractions, numbers and operations, and algebraic thinking. The measurement and data strand focuses on problem solving. In previous grades, students relied on manipulatives and drawn models to solve problems. In 5th grade, your child is encouraged to continue using these strategies, but more actively develop and apply situational equations to problem solve. In the younger grades, your child experienced measurement with both non-standard units and standard units for length. Using non-standard units allows your child to learn that smaller units require more iterations than larger units to measure the same lengths. In 3rd and 4th grade, your child was introduced to additional attributes, including area, weight, and liquid volume. In 4th grade, your child converted measures from larger units to smaller units within the same system of measurement. For example, a foot is 12 times larger than an inch, an hour is 16 times larger than a minute, etc. This year in 5th grade, your child will be converting smaller units to larger units of measure. In converting measures, encourage your child to use multiplication and division strategies they learned in 4th grade to solve them. Let's look at a few strategies your child might use to solve the following problem. Jose spent 1/4 of his money on a video game. If the game cost $15, how much did he have to start with? Your child might choose to use a number line. If Jose spent $15, and that is 1/4 of his money, we can draw a number line showing 1/4 as $15, another 1/4 as $30, another 1/4 as $45, and another 1/4 as $60. So Jose had $60 to start with. They might use a picture. If we draw a rectangle to represent the whole amount and divide it into fourths, then 1/4 is $15, another 1/4 is 2/4, and that's another $15. Another 1/4 would be 3/4, and that's another $15, and the last fourth would be another $15. $15 times 4 equals $60. Data is the other key piece of this unit. Your child will focus on measurement data and displaying that information on a line plot. A line plot is a type of display that positions data along the appropriate scale, drawn as a number line, which corresponds to the scale of the measurement tool used. When building line plots, students should actively plot data as it is collected, rather than counting or sorting data before creating the plot. The objective of working with line plots in 5th grade is to extend students' operations with fractions and multi-step problems. This will further be explored in 6th grade, continuing with line plots, but also extending into histograms. We are constantly bombarded with data through advertising, trends, and opinion polls. Statistical literacy is critical for your child to understand the world around them, as well as having the ability to question the barrage of information presented in the media.